back to a spot where they're like, fuck yeah, you know, Zach's awesome. I want to keep watching his shit, you know?
Yeah.
And then
hopefully
when that happens, then you get more support and stuff, you know?
Yeah, I'm just gonna keep pumping these out. So how is it seeing your car like this?
Sad but nice.
Yeah.
Gone to a good place.
What do you think about the car?
You did the best improvement possible.
Definitely. Yeah, the M20 was nasty. Oh, that? Did you like that?
Oh yeah.
I kept the exhaust on, the motor together, the crossmember, steering rack, buttoned everything up. We didn't leave any loose ends. So like it's drivable and you can even take it for a spin if you want. You want to drive it?
Sure. I love these solid shifters. It's a strange feeling to be driving the same engine, different car. Oh, that does feel fun. Wow. I still can't believe how fast you did this, man. That's crazy.
Yeah, you can step on it, see if it feels faster than your car.
It's not slow.
Yeah.
I didn't even get completely on it, but...
These still aren't connected. This all goes to the cluster. You just pull that button out and then, yeah. All right, we'll crank it up for just a quick second.
Oh yeah, do it for the ground. The tube. You gotta be kidding me, man.
Yeah, it's loud.
Oh, wow. You started this thing at night?
That's why I'm so glad to have the E30 running now. Because now, like, if I need to go on a long drive, I don't have to waste my gas mileage and take the truck. I've been taking this. Got it. Nice. You ready?
Sure am. Oh, here, it's gonna catch right here. Try to straighten it out.
Oh, that's right.
Nice.
Oh, the final piece. Cool.
Golden.
The golden egg. Let's see if you can read the tag. Is the tag on there? Starting to work. Nice. Drag this out of the way, and then now is the fun part. We get to lower the car and pull it out. It's done.
It is done.
Thanks for your help. Now we got this ridiculous mess to clean. He still has the side trim pieces. And I totally forgot. Mine are broken.
But it's not cracked.
This one was destroyed in the Craigslist accident. I never thought I'd ever replace that piece.
Oh, yeah.
You should stand in front of the light, facing this way. It creates like a fill light behind your head. Cool. Mike's getting the hood aligned.
Just dropped that side and lifted this side so we could tilt it that way.
You got your two hands?
No, it's not reaching it. It's because it's back forward. Here, show them this. so the actual bracket holds the hood. And then you see how it lifted up? We've got the gap. It's probably supposed to be right here, not right here. So this hook is not actually latching
on the hook.
And I think we're falling short actually. We could throw some paint on there and see if we're getting any contact. Beat on there.
Smart. Okay.
Just a tiny bit of blue. We're gonna need to do better than that.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, so we connected this ratchet strap to the harness bar. We're gonna try and ratchet it because we had a little bit of front end damage. And so we're gonna see if we can pull it in. So go ahead.
Keep going. Yeah. Keep
Careful
going.
that the hood doesn't smash your head.
It's fine. It's moving the whole core okay there. I think we should just leave it there.
Now let's see if that did anything. We go?
Called it, dude. Called it.
Dude,
Boom.
good job. Dude, we got a hood on.
Nice.
Black greasy fingerprints. Hey, isn't that cool though? Like, we're putting new panels on, a fresh hood. We got fresh fenders recently. We bought these in Canada. The valance is not bad, just needs to be repainted. The door is good. Wow. Look, we got this cool panda thing going on. It could look worse. 240 BMW. That uses degrease. Nice. The paint on this hood's actually not that bad. Should have done this a while ago. Just adjusted the Kelvin on the white balance.